Welcome to another tutorial by Modeled Beyond Belief. This week's video is sponsored by NOCH. In this video you will learn how to turn this into this with the new Gras-master 3.0. Let's see what's in the box. The Gras-master 3.0 comes with 3 sieves, a closing lid and 8 AA batteries. Working with the Gras-master is so easy. Just fill the hopper with grass and off you go. For this tutorial I prepared this diorama. It's 60 by 90 centimeters. I start by applying some NOCH grass glue. I like to work in random sections at a time to create some more diversity in the grass. I have filled the hopper of the Gras-master 3.0 with some grass and we're ready to start applying some grass. I really like to work with the Master Grass blend. It's available in a few different colors. To get rid of the loose fibers, just flip your diorama over and give it a tap on the back. Now you can collect the fibers with a vacuum to be used again later. Repeat this process until you have covered all the areas of your diorama. I have marked the areas where trees will be on the diorama. When you're finished, you will end up with something like this. In a later tutorial, I will explain how to make the water, trees and bushes. Here are some pictures from the diorama in direct sunlight. All the products that I used for this diorama will be linked in the description below. Take care and until next time.